from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better.
What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Acura Integra Type S, and I got a carbon fiber part right here. We have the Jogon rear spat for the Integra Type S, and here's the piece. Let's see if I can get the flow so you guys can kind of see the vision. Now just uses the OEM mounting points right here along with some double-sided tape, and you're pretty much golden. The install is very easy. It's four screws, Phillips heads on the bottom, and just put some double-sided tape on the top just to protect the plastic right here. Let's get to it. Alright, so I love the weave. It looks so good. Jogon part right here. Lightweight, dry carbon. I mean, it's so light. Now the 3M part I'm gonna put in right here is where it kind of sits right here on the bumper. Let's see if we can get that in focus for you guys. So when it's on there, like kind of like this, you want this part right here to have some 3M. That way when it's resting on it, it doesn't scratch from kind of moving back and forth. So I have it 3M on the top where it sits, and then you can have some more 3M where it kind of hugs this corner to protect it too. We're using it as an adhesive, but also as something to protect it from the downward force. From the bottom of this, you can see that there are 4 mounting spots, and it actually aligns with the 4 bolts right here, or the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. It just uses a Phillips head, so just remove it, take the bolts out, the screws on, and then pop in this, and then put the 4 screws on. Pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna see how the APR sits right there, and now you have the Jogon piece as well. Kind of reminds me of like that Supra, the 5th gen Supras. You can kind of see how it flares out, channels the air a little bit. Trying to get to it so it's kind of parallel, so you can kind of see how it sits. Interesting. Alright, there you have it. The Jogon's carbon fiber rear spats. Now it is a very aggressive piece. It does kind of complement the APR side skirts. So if you're going to run something like this, you have to run, I would say run their full kit too. Jogon has side skirts as well. That's more aggressive than the APRs. So I think it'll tie all together a lot better if you ran the Jogon full kit. It is, again, it's up to you on the taste on what you think looks good. You can kind of see the fitment right there. It is definitely pretty aggressive. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Maybe you guys can pick it up. I'll put a link down below if you guys were interested in this product. See ya.